Welcome back viewers. In today's video we will start with the introduction of Sparky Linux. Sparky Linux is powered by Debian. This is the website of Sparky Linux, sparkylinux.org. Sparky Linux is a GNU Linux distribution created on the top of Debian GNU Linux operating system. It is fast, lightweight and fully customizable OS which offers different versions for different users and different tasks. It is a fully featured OS with a lightweight desktop environment which works out of box and contains a selection of pre-installed common use software for home users. Minimal GUI with OpenBox window manager pre-installed only with basic software for users who want to configure their OS desktop as they want on the top of the Debian plus any desktop environment or the window manager they like. 3 special editions are available for different tasks. Game Over for the gamers. It comes with a XFCE desktop, multimedia for audio, video and HTML page creating. So it also comes with the XFCE desktop. Rescue for fixing broken OS or other repair work. So that comes with a OpenBox window manager. Minimal command line interface with no X server for the last but not less important in any way for advanced users who want to build and configure their desktops in their own way. Sparky supports about 20 desktop environments and window managers, giving you freedom of choice, having in mind that your computer is made for working, having fun and entertainment, keeping in touch with friends and many other things. So there are two options. Either you go with the Sparky stable flavor or you go with the semi rolling release flavor. So two options are available. The rolling release is targeted for more advanced users who don't who are not satisfied with the stable version and want a less stable version but with the latest software, latest packages. So the main features of Sparky Linux are Debian based, stable or semi-rolling release, lightweight, fast and simple, your favorite desktops to choose, special editions, Game Over, multimedia and rescue, command line interface or no X server for building the customized desktop, more wireless and mobile network cards supported, set of selected applications, multimedia codecs and plugins, own repository with large set of additional applications, easy hard drive and USB installation. Sparky is not targeted for the Linux beginners, rather to users with some amount of Linux knowledge. So even newcomers can also learn Sparky, and the forums will support the new users. You have to be a part of the forums and then you can start your journey with the Sparky Linux. Sparky Linux was and is always will be free of charge for the end users. So Sparky Linux is not sold, but our support, tip and donation is necessary to keep the Sparky Linux alive. Now I will go back. So here the Sparky news is there. Let us check out the latest news of the October 6th of this month. So new Sparky rolling release 22.10 has been released. So it is 2022.10. So all packages updated from Debian and Sparky testing repos as of 5th October 2022 is available. Linux kernel 5.19.11. So here 3 options are there. Linux kernel 6, 5.15.72 LTS and 4.9.330 LTS 49 are available in the Sparky unstable repos. GCC compiler version 12 is now installed and GCC version 11 is removed from the ISO images. Added new Sparky 7 theme with support of GTK 2, 3, 4. It is a package with light and dark theme to choose. Added a new theme to Sparkify LXQT theme. So you can choose between light and dark themes on LXQT desktop. Replace LightDM with HDDM session login manager for all GTK based desktop ISO images. The KDE and LSQT features HDDM as before, adding a new HDDM theme to Sparky to all live media. An older theme, HDDM's theme Sparky, is also installed. So all live media of the ruling release now feature HDDM. And Sparky upgrade can be launched as a short command now, SPU. Sparky, that is the SP is for Sparky and U is upgrade. So LSQT 1.1 version is available. OpenBox now is 3.6.1. KDE Plasma jumps to 5.25.5. XFC is still 4.16, that is the latest version. Mate is 1.26, that is also the latest version. Calamars is 3.2.61. Firefox is now 105.0.2. Thunderbird 102.3. VLC is 3.0.17. LibreOffice 7.4.1 and Grub is 2.06. And some fixes have been done to the LSQT desktop. Now there is no reinstallation required if you have Sparky rolling release installed. Simply keep it up to date via the command Sparky -upgrade or shorter SPU. And newer ISO images of the rolling line can be downloaded from here. So let us check out the rolling edition download. So you got this 64-bit image for LSQT, Mate, XFC and KDE. And you have got two images for the minimal GUI and the minimal CLI. And for the special editions, Game Over and Multimedia are available in 64-bit. The Rescue image is available in 62-bit as well as 32-bit. Now I will go back. Let us check out the download section. Here also you can choose between the stable or the semi-rolling release. So we already checked out the semi-rolling release ISOs that are available. Now let us check out the ISOs available for the stable edition. So in stable edition you have got LSQT, XFC and KDE desktop in 64-bit ISO images, and minimal GUI and the minimal CLI ISO images also in 64-bit. You got 32-bit images for the LSQT, minimal GUI and the minimal CLI. So this they work very fine with the older systems. And you got the ARM HF images with OpenBox and CLI. So that's it. These are the all official images that are available. So the special Game Over and I'll just show you this. Where was the game? Yes, the special editions Game Over and Multimedia are only available with the semi-rolling release. They are not available in the stable images. They are only available as a semi-rolling release image. Now at the top of this website you can see the social presence of Sparky Linux. So they have got a page on Facebook, Twitter, this is Mewe, then Telegram, Reddit, Mastodon, and this is the RSS feed. So you can connect with the RSS feeds of Sparky Linux. These are the links to the forum. So this is the Sparky Linux forum. So it is advisable for the new users and the newbies, Linux newbies, to connect with the forum. You have to create a profile on the forum, and then you better interact and take guidance of the seniors in the forum when you start your journey with the Sparky Linux. So there is software, hardware support, installation and upgrade support. There is some general discussion rooms here. You can also help in the development of Sparky Linux by giving suggestions, remastering the images, artwork and screenshots, and develop plans for the future. And this is the international board of the Sparky Linux. And so these are some forum statistics. So there are total 13,284 posts in 3,313 topics by 2,940 members. So this is also a good Linux distro. Of course, we are going to try it out. In the next video, we will do the installation of Sparky Linux KDE desktop, that is stable ISO. Then this is the Sparky Linux team. These are the members of the Sparky Linux team. And there are some user reviews for the Sparky Linux team. This is the Sparky Linux wiki, so you can check out the wiki. Now I will go ahead. You can sponsor the Sparky Linux team, and they will offer you some advertising space on their partner pages or the main page of the Sparky Linux. And these are some statistics for the sparkylinux.org website. And this is the page for donating, so you can donate to the Sparky Linux project as per your capacity. You can also donate in bitcoins. You can donate via your credit card, debit cards, PayPal. You can do a bank transfer. So the IBAN, ID, recipient, SWIFT code, everything is given. And there are some reviews on the donation or the donate tab of Sparky Linux. You can go through that. So I think, yes, we have covered this. So with this, I'll stop the video here. See you in the next video with the installation of Sparky Linux stable ISO with KDE desktop. Bye bye.